Comparison of numbers. We have already learned how to compare 4-digit numbers. We follow the same rules to compare 5 and 6-digit numbers. Let us quickly recall these rules. Rule 1. Comparing numbers with different number of digits. The number having more digits is greater. For example, Rule 2. Comparing numbers having the same number of digits. If the numbers have the same number of digits, then start comparing them from the extreme left digit. The number with the greater digit is greater. For example, start comparing from the extreme left digit. That is, 3,45,789 is less than 5,87,908 because 3 is less than 5. If the digits on the extreme left position are the same, compare the next digit, that is 4,579,000. 820 greater than 4,200,000. 11,123 because 5 greater than 2. If these digits are also the same, then compare the next digit to the right and so on. That is 3,45,000. 890 is less than 3,49,754 because 5 is less than 9. Look at some more examples shown below. 3,57,791 is greater than 3,57,186 because 7 is greater than 1. 8,19,742 is less than 8,19,751 because 4 is less than 5. 9,87,346 is greater than 9,87,342 because 6 is greater than 2.